She what? Do you meet your father? Diddly do, my diddlers and diddlettes. I hope your day is going well, and I would like to welcome you back to another reaction video. No mucky, apparently.
Where's the monkey, bitch? You are there! There!
Oh my god!
You know what I'm...
Is that a South Park monkey? Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's just... Come on, damn it. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. I still love his facial expressions.
And who asked for your
They're so
opinion
good.
about my opinion? How wonderful!
They're so... There's so many of them.
Well, the transsexuals, they just changed their gender, that's all.
And I don't like this beep beep. I'm going to take it off.
Some are trans, but why? Because they are different? They change? Or they like makeup? What's that idiocy? No!
Please react to the old monkey show Valentine's Day.
He must react to more of these monkey show videos. Can you reach to know more Christmas monkey show?
Hey Diddles, when are you gonna make the next reaction video? Poor Gooby.
You're gonna wait, monkey? You're gonna...
We need to go.
I'm so
Now.
confused.
He wants to get puppy!
Oh god.
And this house is all mine. This ain't your house! Ah! Bring the
Oh my god. Oh yeah, we did reach 2,000, so that was the wrong way. That didn't show up on camera. There we go. Now it showed up on camera.
Alright, I'll come over tonight. Thanks, Cody!
Yeah, thanks, Cody.
But we got out of here! Alright, class. I'm Professor Cody, and I'll be your tutor today. So no goofing around, you two, or I'll have to give you a spanking. You too, Ken. So Cody, what are you going to teach us? Oh, I'm going to teach you everything that's going to be in the test tomorrow. So math, science, and history.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to pause. 3, 2, 1, pause. I'm sorry. Oh, God. I don't know why that was so funny. I'm sorry. I had to pause for a second. I'm so sorry. That's gonna make it hell to edit for Diego, but oh my god. Yeah, thanks, Coney. Fucking flips the desk. Oh, okay. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with the floor?
Oh
Who's
no.
there? Green. Monkey? What the? no! I'm late. Grima! Huh? Who's there? Oh, there's got a lot of Grima! Hey, Grima! Grima! Help me! Help me! Okay! Everyone is ready?
I'm still halfway through writing the script for the next episode of A Bridge T. If you haven't seen that yet, go watch it. It's God tier.
Regardless of what you're talking about, you just count five. What was that? I can't see anything. What
That was someone trying to sharpen their pencil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, what was I saying?
Never mind, I got it. The sun's a planet. I got it. Thank you.
Hey, I do this really drawing. Oh, that's really cute.
But sometimes
You
can
are
be bad
gay.
since it can help.
This way, when the ice melts, it doesn't water down the drink. Now it tastes like Capri Sun.
But how'd I get 3 of them?
Because you turned in 3 different tests.
Damn right, wait, fucking what?
See, all 3 tests have your name on it.
What, you idiot!
Yeah, right,
My
I
name
did.
too?
Fucking what?
Jesus!
You are not!
Thanks, Jesus!
Santa.
But, you know what? I decided it's about time I get this started back up. Because I have it, might as well use it. So, fuck.
Have you heard about Loot Crate? Shh, wait.
It's a nice little ad you slipped in there.
Oh, look up a fire. For you, I have my blood, so please enjoy.
Yeah. All right.
How's it taste? My good garlic milk. Now, who's next?
Oh my god. Before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that Twitter handle up for a second. Don't make sense to have 2,000 subscribers and 150 followers on Twitter. Come on, y'all.
Okay, now let's just. I sense you need some help. Trunks, just stop.
Am I glad I'm not allergic to those?
All right, let's get you up.
Great. Now I can watch us become irrelevant vertically instead of horizontally. What are we even doing here anymore?
I brought towels. Anyone want a towel?
I'll take one.
But it's my house! I do what I want with my house! Well, now you don't have a house. No! My house! You know what? Forget about everything. Everyone hates heterosexuals!
Oh boy! Oh boy! I'm like Big Dad Gaming! Oh, I'm real! Oh, I'm like Big Dad Gaming! Oh, thank you, Monkey!
It's kind of hot, though. I think I'm going to take off the jacket for today's reaction. Probably going to mess up the hat. Yeah. No. Still a little bit too hot. I'm going to take off my shirt, too. Come on. There we go. Let's get you off. All right. All right. Ready to start. Still too hot. Let's just go shirtless. All right. All right. And with that, tie that on. I think we're ready to start today's reaction.
Say goodbye to your... Merry Christmas.
I hate everything!
Android 18! Later. But my Bayteen. I will get a home.
No. Wait, so if he doesn't have 18 anymore, does that mean...
Is that what he turned into after he beat me? I'm kind of offended by his lips.
We will make America great again. No.
It's high noon.
A little monkey down in the bottom left. Forgot my left from my right. So the video we have today is hold on, what is it? I sent it to him a while ago. I'm unprofessional. What was the name of that video?
Yeah.
What? The sick abs are for you, Ray.
I'm so fucking gay.
Fry an egg on them.
Okay. I. Diddly do, my diddlers and diddlettes, and welcome back to, sadly, another reaction video. Okay,
Oui, merci, merci, you look great. No, I don't know about Japan. But you can ask. So you want a cute box with cute stuff? Go to lootcrate.com/Sr Pelo, Sr Pelo.
Okay, it's childish, Gambino, homegirl dropping like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like it's coke on my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some shorts. B-O-O all over me, my green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl, and now he got that Coachy beef. My dick is like an accent mark, it's all about the over-eat. Hot like a parked car, I sound weird like nigga with a hard R. Fly like the logo on my cousin's 440. Eating Oreos like these white girls that blow me. Vodka for my ladies, whiskey for a grown man. Hanging in the islands looking for Earl like Toe Jam. I make the beat retarded, so I'm calling it a slow jam. Butcher and I know it, man.
It's Christmas. Where is my tree?
Oh, and some nigga named Tim.
Well, you can't use that word. That's not what LaGrange College represents.
Don't tell him where we are!
You see that bird over there, Johnny? Ah! That's a really cute bird. Look again, Johnny. Ah! Johnny, come on, try, Johnny. Somebody help me, please!
Oh, yeah!
Sr Pelo. That's okay.
Baby, okay? Okay, be the ball. Be the ball.
I'm going to bed. Dude, what happened? Did I get a strike?
Kinda.
Needed to this idiot. Diddles? Diddles, are you in there?
Yeah?
You know you're about a week late, right?
Late for what?
Diddles, you can't do this computer like that. What have you been up to?
Oh no!
The new Luckies is out. Get to work. Watch someone take that out of context. But hey, I've said worse in the past, right, Diego?
Of course, they always start off with Sonya. You gotta give the woman the first line out of the trio. Nah, nigga, fuck women's rights. And that is now out on the internet.
Fucking did you bring that up? Or, oh, not if they're a fucking brony. See, I make jokes
Respect
about
women.
No fucking lie. I just remembered that. I put that. I just remembered I put that there. I was saying that. Also sudden 999 dislikes on what video? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, Lava Lord, you're getting a shout out on this video, I guess. You're just showing up while I talk about Shad, man. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Don't touch t-shirt.
Look, mommy, my t-shirt.
Oh, that's so cute, son.
Don't touch it.
And the poster. And each one has a little gift.
Hey, but what about...
Cocaine? But the cocaine is bad. It's really, really bad.
Like a monkey. The cocaine is super really fucking really monkey. You should try it. Try it on me.
Candy!
Hi, it's me, a normal person.
Is that albino monkey?
This is so much fun.
That's beautiful! This is beautiful! I'm mad at you. I don't care what he does. I kind of like his art. Do I think he goes overboard sometimes? Yeah. Does that mean he's a bad artist? No. Does that mean he's a bad person? Definitely not. You can't base your opinion on someone just because of something that they do. That sounds awful. That is terrible advice. Do not listen to me when I say that. Diego, just take that out.
Look at police. He's the bad people.
Oh, not bad people. Shoot him.
Let me fight him. I am Jesus Christ, and I'm going to save.
To save Christmas, take this watch, monkey, and bring more monkeys. You need to save Christmas, monkey. Now I'm going to find this monster.
And in this era, you can change your private parts. Hey, but I don't like this sausage. What the heck? I don't want this sausage. And there is no problem with that. That's okay. Whatever you like.
Did you just shot at me? Did you just shot at me?
Oh no.
It's
Let's talk about political stuff.
No!
Oh no.
My
Fair
friend
point.
is
Fair point.
right. That's why I'll suck her beverage.
You. And the worst is that they don't want to know the other person, or at least listen to them.
I don't like that monkey. That shouldn't act so. I shouldn't laugh. I shouldn't laugh. Oh my god, that was beautiful.
Oh, my opinion worked. I feel you're doing that wrong. There we go. Perfecto. Sometimes we have different opinions, and that's okay. It's normal. The way. Oh, Dylan. He doesn't want to trick or treat, Dylan. Yes, Dylan. Yes.
Okay, I just
This
realized
morning, a normal
that it's
person
Donald Duck
escaped from
and it's
prison.
not blackface.
No, please. No,
Hey!
Oh, God.
If you want to watch more videos, punch your mom and punch the bell. And look, there's the bell. You like it or you hate it? Constructive destructive.
Oh no! Oh no! Don't you dare!
Don't worry. You can take this plane. Thanks, goodness. I didn't die.
Oh, of course, of course. Well, it depends on. The majority agrees with their goal. Treat everyone nice, equally, things like.
I feel like Mucky definitely exceeds when his humor comes in short random bursts, like the 9/11 video that everyone keeps telling me to react to, even though I've already seen it. But I bet you someone's gonna tell me in the comments to watch it because they didn't watch this part right here.
Trick, bitch! Oh my god, what's going on in this house? What's all this mess?
Oh
It's
god.
being a normal person.
That was definitely worth the year-long wait. That was amazing. Oh, in the moment I said that, the literal moment I said that, I got a notification from someone named Nuclear Fusion Gamer. Nuclear Fusion Gamer 33, and he put E Crema. This is basically what I've signed myself up for by doing these reactions.
Hi, I'm a woman. I am way gay, and I'm a Charlie Brown.
Wow.
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 I fucked your mom, shit lips.
That was amazing.
Hey, you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wondered what visual depression looks like? Well, wonder no more.
wife is dying of cancer. My son has Lou Gehrig's disease. My entire family hates me. And my dog recently died of Ebola. But there's one thing keeping me from slitting my throat in the early hours of the morning. And it's this limited edition Lucky shirt! Go buy it now! Hey, you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wondered what visual depression looks like? What the fuck's wrong with you, James? No! No! Ah! No! Woo! Damn it, again, you made video. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Fuck it, I'll just do it for my 3DS. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wondered what visual depression looks like? Well, wonder no more. Fuck. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wondered what visual depression looks like? Well, wonder no more. It didn't play. It did. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wondered what visual depression looks like? Well, wonder no more. My wife is dying of cancer. My son has leukemia. No! Fuck it. I'll just use this. Oh shit. What? Pick another video. I'm done. Don't make me show you my cock.